With an all-new cooling system and improvements across the board, the KTM 4-stroke series of 23 bikes are now equipped with a brand new setup that lives in the frame. KTM has ditched the old, tired, and probably more expensive alloy T-section that fits within the bike's frame and joins the radiators, and has introduced a fresh, new plastic assembly. Unofficially, Samco Sport has dubbed this part the frame T-Piece, or FTP, simply because it lives within the frame of the bike and resembles a T-shape. The OEM FTP comprises two main sections: the top part, which connects the radiator spouts, and a length of alloy, or plastic in the case of the 23 model, which runs inside the frame to the hose that connects to the header. The two pieces are simply screwed together upon assembly of the bike. Years ago, Samco Sport took this often leaky and fragile OEM assembly and transformed it into a smooth, sturdy single silicon component. This has helped riders and race teams across the world to stay on track. As the OEM frame T-piece is hidden within the frame, it's often near on impossible to diagnose when the two sections have loosened from each other. Or worse, the unit itself is cracked and is leaking coolant from an obscure location on the bike. The Samco Sport T-piece hose eliminates all known issues by creating a single piece designed not to break, crack, or leak. Now, it's far too early to tell if the 23 models suffer the same problems as bikes past, but our gut instinct tells us that this new plastic setup isn't going to last very long. Placing a completely plastic element hidden within the bike that's designed to soar across jumps and go at high speeds around the track feels like it's an issue waiting to happen. The Samco Sport silicon frame T-piece hose solves that problem before you start the engine.